Hey, good morning, everybody. I have got a new tool. The fine folks over at UWANT sent me a B400 multiple spot cleaner. We're gonna unbox it real quick. I thought this would be perfect for the truck, especially since Grandma keeps borrowing our portable one that we had before. This seems to be a little bit more slimline design than the one we had. It was big and bulky, and this is much more tight and looks really nice from the outside. So let's get it out of here and see what it looks like on the inside. It's a warranty card, user manual. Oh, it's really nice. The different cleaning heads for it. Or the cleaning head for it, I should say. Well, there it is. It's unboxed. There's the cleaning head, then there's a steamer head. It comes in two different pieces. You got to put it together. Then the main wand, power, and then to release the tank up top, if you're pulling the tank out of it to add solution to it or dump stuff out. Your cord, you got to snap this little bracket in here, and you got to snap this little bracket in down here. But other than that, it's pretty streamlined. It's a very simple, light design. I want to try it out. Let's use it real quick. Now, with it being a more streamlined design, whenever you pull the top off of it and it's a smaller unit, you only have this storage compartment right here for water, and then the dirty water spills out underneath this umbrella into this compartment here. So you'll have to probably fill this up more often, indeed, for most applications. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use, comes with a thing of cleaning solution. It's their cleaning solution, so I'm just going to dump. It smells good. It's got a nice fresh scent to it. Just going to dump a little bit in here. I don't see a separate port for cleaning solution, so oh, it says clean water tank filling port. Okay, whatever, it's in there. And then I'll probably shake it up a little bit. Should have did that before I put it back in here, but it's okay. Right? This is a flannelette brush that comes in the kit. This here is a steam cleaning scrubbing head. And this here is a self-cleaning cap for the end of the wand, where you can snap this onto it and it will basically spray into itself and suck back in, so you can clean any kind of like nasty water and stuff like that out of the spray wand itself to store it, put it away, so you're not getting it nasty inside and, you know, creating like mildew and different nasty smells festering in the unit. Now this has two different modes. You can see here on the side. Press the button one time to activate hot water mode, and press the button 2 times to activate steam mode. So this is twice and this is once. Let's go ahead and get this turned on. And let's try it out. Alright, I pushed the button. I've got hot water mode activated. It is now doing whatever it's doing down there. There you go, there's a little sprayer. Hit the button once, turn it on, hit it a second time, make it go away. Oh yeah, this thing was nasty when we started this. You can see all the nasties coming out of the end of this. Oh, that's so gross. It's so gross. still sucking nasty crap out of it. You got to be careful because the water tries to spray everywhere. When it comes out, it's not like a fine mist. It just comes out. Let's try the steam mode. Okay, yellow meant that I activated the water mode. Red means I activated the steam mode, I guess. Oh yeah, it's starting to get really hot, that's why. Alright, I turned it off. I've never really been able to get this thing 100% clean in the center console because this is where I always put my arms when I get off work or when I'm driving long distance. So let's see what happens. I'm going to continue cleaning and then we'll come back and look at it. The steamer works extremely good. While the unit's on, I'm going to put it in cleaning mode right now. So I'm going to pull the head off of it. I'll put the cleaning end on. And then I'm going to hit the water button. Turned yellow, so that means the water's activated. And there it is, cleaning itself. Turn it off. Water deactivated. Look at the grossness that was pulled out of that center console. All the dirt and oil and stuff from my arms being a mechanic. And in case you guys didn't know, where this head goes is for like if you're steaming something and you need to scrub rather than brush, you can put this scrubbing pad on there and it unsnaps from this area right here. That pops out, that other one pops in. Now what is my initial response to this? It's a great cleaner. It's a great unit. It does what it says it's gonna do. It does steam. What I would do is I would give you guys a little warning when switching between water and steam. The water has to clear out of the line as the steam is pushing through, so it makes a mess and kind of splatters everywhere. So when you're switching between steam mode and water mode, make sure that you take the wand and pull it away from the surface of wherever you're working, or if you're working on a large surface and it doesn't matter anyway, that's fine. It can just spit or splash as it's switching between hot water and steam. Outside of that, the unit is pretty good. It cleaned out all the junk that I needed it to clean out. It's very fast. It's very quick to heat up and actually work. One of the things that I don't like about it is the jet in the top right here. When it steams great. Steam comes out like it's supposed to. You can switch the head over as well. You can switch between the different wands. You can steam through here, or you can steam through the actual steam jet. I like steaming through this because I can scrub while I was doing it. When you switch it over to hot water, it doesn't spray as fine as I'd like, but you can also think of it as if I'm in a house and I'm cleaning a spot up in a house, do I really need a fine spray? No, I don't. I need water down immediately. So I can I can understand the balance between how they got it spraying out of here. It's just something I'm not familiar with, and it just caught me by surprise, and I sprayed it all over the place because it just came out instead of a mist or like a stream, like a spray bottle type. It just came out with just a ton of water at one time. So I wish I would have expected that. But anyway, this B400 from UWANT works great. Easy to set up, easy to use, and I will drop the link down below for you guys to check it out. And it really did a great job on that center console. Let me show you real quick what it looks like. I did top and bottom. Way better than what it was. All the arm prints and oil stains and stuff all over it, all gone. Same over here, still got some spots drying. There might be one or two little stains I gotta go back and touch up. Like this might be a stain that comes back. I'll have to touch it up again, but it'll come out. Really like the unit. The unit did a great job. All right, guys, I'll have the link down below. You guys check it out. Click on one, get you one. Thanks UWANT for sending it to me. Great product.